Hello learners, welcome to my channel CS Learning. Today we will going to discuss about if-else statement in Python. With some examples of Python coding, I will show you how if-else condition will work. But before that, just let's know about what is if-else statement in Python, what are the syntax of if-else statement, and let's understand how it's work. So see, in the previous videos, you have seen about the relational operators or the logical operators we have used. So this is where we can use a logical expression or a relational expression. In this syntax, look at the syntax of if-else over here. If, then a conditional expression I have to put here. Then a statement we have to give. Whatever statement will be inside this if block, we have to write those. Then else, and then the statements under else will be there. Now see this example. If a is greater than equals to 0, then print a is 0 or a positive number. Else a is a negative number. So for instance, this code fragment will give you either a is a 0 or a positive number, or a is a negative number. So first, suppose maybe one have taken a input inside the variable a. Now we are checking that if a is a positive number or a negative number. Okay, so inside this if block, we have put a print statement. Only one print statement is there. It can be multiple print statement inside a if block. It may happen. And inside the else block, one another statement is there. Now the thing is that either the if block will run or the else block will run. Okay, now for say, see this conditional structure, also known as if-else statement or if statement, provides a way to execute a chosen block of code based on the runtime evaluation of one or more than one Boolean expression. So in the previous one, just in the previous example, I have shown you that a greater equals to 0. That is a Boolean expression actually. Okay, so in Python, a most general form of conditional is written as follows. You can see this is a if-else ladder, but if I find this one, see this picture will be very relevant. First condition will be given. Now either the condition will be true or the condition will be false. So if the condition will true, then some statement will run. This will be the main body of if. And if the statement is false, then the else part will run of the code. So this is the basic idea of if else. So when the condition will be true, the if part will be run, and whenever the condition will false, the else part will run. So this is the basic construction of if else. This picture will help you to understand. Now we will see the if else ladder. Okay, this is the if else ladder. You can see we can put multiple condition in if else. So for doing that, we have to put elif keyword. This is a keyword. This elif is a keyword actually. Elif, the second condition. In the if, I will put the first condition, then the body inside if. If the second condition will true, then this first condition will not run. The second condition will only the second body will only run. If the third condition will be true, then first body and second body will not run, only the third body will run. And if none of this condition will true, then the else part will run, means the fourth body will run. So this may contain several conditions. This is called the structure of Elif ladder. This is the syntax of Elif ladder as well. Okay. Now we will move on to the Python, and just I will show you a small code that will help you to understand that how this is working actually. So let's move on to Python. Now giving you an example of if else. So suppose I am taking x equals to now if colon, this is the syntax of if else. If this is if x is greater than equals to 10, then 2-digit number, else not a 2-digit number. Okay, now run this code and let's take a number 34. So 34 is greater than 10. So this condition will be true, and so this part is running. You can see 2-digit number. And if I write another print statement over here, and again run this code, giving a number less than, so see the else part is running, not a 2-digit number. Okay, so this part is whenever the condition is false, having a false value, that x is not greater than 10, then it is giving the else part, and if x is greater than 10, it is giving the if part. Now here according to the question, or if I want to see only 2-digit number, this will not work actually, because if I only give in this case, the logical thing is not correct, because if I only give x is greater than equals to 10, it will take any number that is greater than equals to 10. Maybe it can be 3-digit or 4-digit, even 4-digit, 5-digit number can be greater than 10. So I can put a logical AND over here, and one another Boolean expression I can add over here, that x is less 100. Okay, it can be less 100, or I can put less equals 99. Okay, running the code. So you can see This code is giving you the correct result. See, 125 is not a 2-digit number, so it is giving you it is not a 2-digit number. Okay, so I can call this code like checking for a 2-digit no. Okay, so this is how we can use the if else condition by checking or by putting expression over here. And remember, in the else part, no expression should be given. If the condition within this if statement is false, whenever the condition of if statement will get a false value, the else part will run. Okay, and if I write any other statement outside the if else block, it will run until the program will end, or it will run after the if else block will execute. Okay, so either the if block will execute or the else block, and this statement I have written outside the if else block, that is out of if else block, this will always run. Okay, so this is it for if else. I hope you have understood, all of you have understood the concept of if else along with this example. So let's get end the session over here for today. In the next video we will see some another code and some more if else coding we will do. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.